Whoa! 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 Bubba, will you get out of the way? They're trying to chase me.
Good morning. It is the 29th and it's about 7:50 a.m. and we're taking off to do our 4 to 5 days vacation. And these are my kids. They're awake. Somebody's yawning, somebody's tired. Hi, Demi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi.
Hi. Bye.
Bye. All right, so we're gonna go on a fun vacation and we'll be back in a few days.
Bye.
Alright, so we made a stop here at Casa de Fruit to do a quick diaper change.
We are safely
Hi, Pumpkin.
social distancing in the car.
We're just staying in the car. Hi, guys. Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi.
We're letting the kids stretch their legs.
Is it true?
What?
Yes, it's true.
I'm smart, ain't I?
Yeah, you are.
I guessed it right.
Hey, no scratching.
The female or the girl?
Wait, you gotta put your foot.
Oh yes, the Golden Gate Bridge, built in 1933, completed in 1937. Did you know that this bridge was built to replace a thriving ferry service that people has been using for over 100 years before the bridge was built? Interesting. My wife and I, we spend a lot of time with our kids because we truly believe that it can help our children build self-esteem, strength in our family bonds. We also see that it develops positive behavior in our children, and it can help our children to become a good friend. Hey, check out the view of that bridge. Beautiful. That's a pretty butterfly. Throw me your crab. Oh wow.
I hope we have the big crab.
Okay. Let's try to catch a big crab. Whoa. That's a lot of baby crab. No, don't touch it. Cool, huh? Here. Hold this. Don't let go. Hold that tight. You want to hold it? Just hold the back piece like this. Don't hold it like that. Don't hold the front. Alright guys, we've been here for about 20 minutes now. And it's cloudy in San Francisco. It's about 104 in Fresno. Check out the Golden Gate. Golden State Bridge. Beautiful view. This is a fishing and crabbing dock. The U.S. Coast Guard is right here. That city over there, that's San Francisco. You look carefully. Over here is where Alcatraz is at.
Buddy.
A lot of the small ones.
Oh, a lot of the small ones. Super tiny.
Gimme cheese. Oh, good pose.
Good job.
That's a good pose. Where are you going? Hey, slow down.
Yeah. Come on, Papa. You can do it. There's any crab? It's running crabs. It's running crabs. A lot of baby crabs. Whoa.
Baby crabs.
Whoa. 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 Papa, will you get out of the way? They're trying to chase me. Baba, will you get out of the way? They're staying here. So the crab doesn't get me.
Wait. Come show this.
Whoa. We got. Whoa. Whoa.
Most of these crabs are Dungeness crab, and these are the babies. Did you know that an average Dungeness crab lifespan is between 8 years to 13 years? By the time they're 4 to 5 years, they are fully grown, ready to harvest. The legal size to harvest them is 6.25 inches across the shell. They're roughly about 2 to 3 pounds.
These are about the average size. We'll have to wait till next season. But you can't catch these here anyways. On this dock, Dungeness crab. No. Only rock crab. Okay. And there's no crab. There's a lot of baby ones, but there's really no crab here. And if you want to fish, there is a lot of mackerel running at the time. There's a lot of mackerel. I've been seeing a lot of smelt and mackerel that everybody's catching. But I'm not here for that. I was trying to catch some crab. But no luck this time.
Because we didn't have any luck at the other pier, we decided to see if the Pacifica pier is available, but looks like there's a lot of people here. This pier was originally built to pump waterways into the Pacific, but since they don't do that anymore, this pier is very popular for fishermen and people who loves crabbing. Too bad there was too many people on the pier. I didn't feel comfortable taking my kids there. Approaching us is the Double Slide Tunnel, opened in March of 2013. It is the first tunnel built in the last 60 years in California. This tunnel was built with such unique material and technique that when there's an earthquake, the tunnel shakes with it instead of resisting it. Pigeon Point Lighthouse. Named after pigeon mail carriers, this lighthouse stands at 115 feet tall. It is considered one of the tallest lighthouses in America, and it is the tallest lighthouse in the West Coast. Built in 1871 to help guide ships onto the Pacific coast of California. We decided not to park and go check it out because the visitor center was closed, the picnic table and gathering spots were closed, and all the events and tour guides were also canceled. So we decided just to drive by. Let's just say someday after watching this awesome, amazing peak adventure video, you decided, hey, let's go on the same trip. Well, here's a little recommendation for everyone. If you want to make it easier for like a quick park and view, I prefer traveling from north to south. So at least everything will be on your right. The parking, easy access, quick park and stop. The view will be all on your right. But hey, if you have to travel from south to north, that's fine. You're still gonna get the same view. But yes, this scenic route is truly, truly amazing. These photos or videos do no justice. You have to see it for yourself. Happy travel and safe travel.
Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming. Mommy's gonna go get us our hotel. So we just stopped here at the Hyatt in Santa Cruz. Very nice hotel. And Mommy went to go get our... Okay, boo-boo. You're okay, you're okay. Who's in there? How you know? Probably cleaning.
No, cleaning for home.
What? So we just went and walked into somebody's room that they were still sleeping in there butt naked. And my wife went and checked. Go. And now we're in a different floor. It's a different last name, Lee. So unprofessional work by the... She didn't even really check our name. Okay, Demi.
A big jungle! And a small pool for Demi!
Demi can't even see. Oh, it is a small pool, huh?
Is it jacuzzi?
No.
Not?
Yeah, I like it. It looks like a jacuzzi. That is it for this video. And make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the scenic drive and everything. Unfortunately, we didn't catch any crab, but we were able to got to our hotel on time. The kids are rested in the car, so yeah. I truly think the drive is so beautiful. Unfortunately, we couldn't stop because my kids were sleeping and we want them to rest. We didn't want them to be grumpy. But anyhow, thank you all. Check out the next video coming up. We're heading down to Big Sur, to Cayucas, Morro Bay in the morning. Take care.
Wow, thank you, Peak Fan. We can't believe you guys watched the whole video with us. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to hit the bell button to get notification when we put up new videos. This video is sponsored by SunFat, the global leader in Oriental foods importing and distribution.